Hello YouTube. I just came back over here. The spider's still up there, but I thought I'd come over and I'd stop this spawner. And it's interesting. It's a skeleton spawner. There's nothing in here, and this chest is golden stuff. Like, I'm taking this. Even though it breaks easily, that's the best helmet in the game. Right there. Strength-wise. I'm gonna take the chest with me as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. But I'm just gonna leave this for later. Whoa, I just almost fell off the edge there. I torched up here, so nothing, well, hopefully nothing will spawn here. Oh, I see. There's my sheep. And there's a cow. I've got to go get that sheep. The star. I'll be right back. Oh, okay, I'm back. Spider seems to have despawned. So yeah. Okay. I just realized I'm quite hungry. Let's grab that melon. Oh, hello, sheepy. Now see, I don't want to kill you. But surely, I need your wool to complete a challenge. Well, let's look at the challenges, shall we? Let's pause it, just in case. There we go. Challenges. Build a brick house. I still have yet to find the clay. Build a nice farm. I've got a farm, but it needs to be nice. I need, to bake a cake. Underground tree farm, that's going to be the hardest thing. Make some orange wool, go fishing, build a mob grinder, make some little baby cows, make some awesome enchanted tools. So there's no point for any sheeps at all. It was just to get orange wool. And I have the orange dye, now I just needed to use this wool. Actually, a bed would be nice. I'm crazy. What am I thinking? That lava's still there? Block that up before one of the animals kill himself. Okay. Let's head over here and grab our orange dye. I could use the orange wool for the bed. I've crafted some orange wool, so that checkpoint is complete. I guess that was number 1. I guess. Now there's no more use for anything other than, I mean, there's no more use for any other wool now, except for bed. So I guess I'm just going to make a bed, and going to, oh, I know what to do, Ah, no I don't. Come on. 3, that's enough for pick. Okay, just one more. Cool, 5. That's all I needed. Okay. Sun's setting. I gotta hurry. I'm just gonna make a sword right now. Oh no. Golden, get in here. Food, chest, orange. There we go. Oh no. I need you, chest. I need you. Okay, that sticks. Nope, I only need 1. There we go. Uh-oh. It's not good. This is not good. Okay. That's 1 sheep. There's another sheep over here. Okay, that's enough sheep. Okay. Get off from that edge. Now you, chicken, you. I need you to lay me an egg. ASAP. I need an egg so I can bake that cake. I have a melon. It's 1. Once I get the bed, I'll be pretty much set for the rest of the map. Yep, map beat. Oh, fell in a hole. Craft a bed? Or is it? Make some orange wool. That's good. Checkpoint done. I've made some orange wool. But now I'm going to put that orange wool to some use. Like that. It's like the orange wool is the pillow. Cool. Now I'm basically set. There we go. Bed down. Look at all those deaths. Okay. So I'm basically... Let's grab my... So, ooh. Hello, buddy. Buddy boy. You want to face me? You face me, huh, son? You're pulling your face. Okay. I've got a mind stone. So... Yeah, it's a bad tree because I don't know really the size it requires for it to be a tree farm. But, you know what, this tree is going away. Say goodbye to that tree. That tree's got to go down. I love my sheep, but that's okay. I have a bed. I crafted my orange wool. I used the orange wool for the bed. That is, yeah, well, I don't know whether... Oh, I still have a sheep. I still have a sheep. Wait, oh yeah, it does. They spawn here. It's grass. Okay, that's good. So if I come across 2, I can breed them and have infinite sheep wool. Which is not terribly bad, but look at that. It's time up.